Hi friends, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the zero conditional. If you haven't watched it yet, I will leave a link in the cards. Please watch it and come back. Let's get into this video. If I win a lottery, I will go to Malaysia on a holiday. If she asks him, he will help her. These sentences mean that when a condition exists, there is a possibility for something to happen. If I win a lottery, there is a good chance that I will go to Malaysia. If she asks him, there is a good chance that he will help her. Such sentences with if are called probable or possible conditionals. It means if the given condition is fulfilled, the result might happen. They are also called the first conditional sentences. Now let's look at how we form the first conditional. You know, in conditional sentences we have two parts, if clause and the main clause. Similarly, in the first conditional sentence, we have if clause, a comma, and a main clause. If clause is used in present tense, usually the simple present tense, and main clause can have will or any other modal verbs like can, may. And we can also use imperative sentences, sentences which begin with verbs. Let's look at a few examples here. If you work hard, you will get a promotion. If you don't study well, you will fail the exam. If it rains, we will stay at home. If you finish your work, you can leave. See, we have used a modal verb here. If you need any help, ask me. We have used an imperative sentence here, ask me. Remember, we use a comma after if clause. But we can use the main clause first and then the if clause. When we use main clause first, we should not use a comma. Like, you will get a promotion if you work hard. You will fail the exam if you don't study well. We will stay at home if it rains. You can leave if you finish your work. Ask me if you need any help. Remember one more thing. We should not use will in if clause. Shall we try an exercise? Put these pairs of sentences together using the first conditional. 1. Paint the house. It will look better. Have you tried? Here is the answer. If you paint the house, it will look better. Number 2. Perhaps they will offer me a job. Then I will accept it. Try the answer. Okay. The answer is, if they offer me a job, I will accept it. Notice one thing here. I have not used perhaps and I have not used then. If they offer me a job, I will accept it. 3. It may rain, then my father won't let me play in the garden. Try the answer now. Yes, if it rains, my father won't let me play in the garden. If it rains, my father won't let me play in the garden. See, I have added s to the verb rain because it is in the simple present tense. If it rains, my father won't let me play in the garden. Now it is your turn. Let me give you a pair of sentences. Try to write your answer in the comment section using the first conditional. So here are the sentences. Turn off the stove. You might burn the food. Turn off the stove. You might burn the food. Okay, I hope you have understood how to use the first conditional. Happy learning. See you in the next video.